How to make a WIX website from scratch. Follow these steps. Go to wix.com and sign up for an account. Choose between Wix ADI, automatic site creation, or Wix editor, manual customization. Pick a template or start from a blank page. Add pages like Home, About, and Contact using the Menus and Pages option. Customize the design by dragging and dropping text, images, and buttons. Use the WIX App Market to add features like contact forms, booking systems, or online stores. Optimize the mobile version using the mobile editor. Set up basic SEO by adding page titles, descriptions, and keywords. Connect a custom domain or use a free WIX subdomain. Click Preview to check the design, then Publish to make it live. Thanks for watching.